also introduced. So let's get started with the PowerPoint webinar. So here is the requirement from one of my manager. He says, Ramzan, there was an issue in our department, in a sales department. And the issue was, how do we increase the sales for the next quarter? Sales were going a little bit slow. So we had a meeting and we decided that how do you increase our sales to 20% next year? What were the challenges? So low repeat customer. Once a customer buys from the website, he does not comes back, means we have a very low repeat rate customer. Inconsistent sales pitches. So when a salesperson speaks with the client, there is an issue in that. Poor lead tracking. We get a lead, but we don't do the much follow-up. So now what is the plan? Today discuss the plan is, okay, let's standardize our sales pitch. Let's track all our CRM leads. Let's offer the loyalty discount so that people repeat come to our website. Let's run some festive season online ads. So whenever the festival is done, let's run the Facebook or Instagram ad. All these things were discussed. And by the end of this, manager wrote all the points and he sends you these 6 points. That Ramzan, we need one slide in a PowerPoint where we wanted to show an objective. And this is the details of the objective. What is the objective? Increase revenue by identifying new opportunity and maximizing customer retention. Another is the key feature I wanted to show on a slide, data-driven strategy, benefit, target audience, duration, and call to it. So what is this, you know? This is basically the 6 points for sales excellence. Okay. So now, in short, the intention is from this 6 point, I wanted to convert into the infographics and I wanted to present in a slide. How do I present that? This is very interesting that how do I present this in a slide, correct? And I'm going to show you something amazing today, how you can present. See, we are not going to this way that I took this and I went to the insert and I went to the smart art and I took some smart art and the work is done. No, we will be creating as per our need. We are not going to copy paste this in some AI tool and giving our company data to the AI tool and he creates and gives to us. No, we will create our own. So the intention of today's webinar is to show you how people create infographics in PowerPoint. And it's amazing. With the help of simple tips and tricks, how you can convert your normal data into the slide. Okay. So let's get started. So my intention is all this 6 point and with that text also, I wanted to present in a slide. So how do I do that? Okay. So let's get started and we are going to create an amazing infographics. Okay. So can you all please reply yes in a chat box if you are ready to start with me, everybody. Can you please reply yes? So I know you all are with me and you all are listening to me. Amazing, lovely, lovely. Great, great. Okay, everybody. So here what I will be doing is I'm just copying this heading from here and just pasting over here. And I'm just typing one small heading for your knowledge. Infographic from pie chart. You will be amazed to hear this sentence that infographics from a pie chart. Normally, you use pie chart what for what? In Excel, we use pie chart to show the percentage, like you have a total sales and how much percentage of sales is coming through Dubai, from Sharjah, from Abu Dhabi. So we create a pie chart if you want to show percentage, right? But today you will see with the help of pie chart, we will do something very different. And you will say, wow. Okay, so let's get started. So step number one, everybody, I go to the insert tab, and in insert tab, there is the option charts. Here you have an option chart. I'm inserting chart. We are not creating chart, but with chart, you will create the infographics. I'm showing you the advanced PowerPoint things. Yeah. I click on the chart, and over here, you will select the pie chart. See, I go very slow so that you can understand. The intention is not to show you amazing thing which you don't understand. It is intention is so that you understand and afterwards you can practice. So the first step is I go to insert, I click on chart, I select the pie chart, and I select this chart. And when I say OK, as soon as I say OK, a pie chart has been inserted. And now the tips and tricks starts and you are going to love it. Okay. So now I have three uh, pies, this gaps over here. Another is this. So you have basically four slides. So now what I do, I increase the size of it. Whatever it's there, here it is. So you see what I do. Over here, I will type 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 6. Why I did 6 times? What is the intention? The intention of this 6 time is because I wanted to create 6 sections. So when I go over here, I have 6 things over here, right? 6 excellence things, 6 different sectors, 6 steps, whatever it can be. So I added over there 6 steps. Got it? This is the first thing. Okay, let me move this little bit center. So I say align center and I say align middle. Right? Okay. Then what I do, I delete the header, I delete the sales, and I delete this one also. See the magics. Now I wanted to give a gap, little bit gap between these both the slices. So you right click. Then we go to the format data series. And then I go to the fill. And in the border, I make 10. So what happened? Now there is a gaps between them. There is a gaps between them. Okay, perfect. Now, I also want to increase the size of this pie. So I right click on it. I say format data series. Somebody is, I think, unmute. Just mute yourself. And over here, there is a whole size. So here it's 75%. Means this whole size is 75 and this is 25%. So I say, no, I want 50%. So I type 50 and you see it became this. You will observe from pie chart what we are going to make. Okay. Done, everybody. The first step, we inserted the pie chart. Second step, we added 2 more pies into it. It becomes 6. Next step was I put the gapping between them. I increased the line width. After that, I decreased the whole size to 50. Done? Khalas, that's all. Now what? Now, again, I wanted to make it more interesting. So now I go to the insert and again I say I want one more circle. So I took a circle. Remember, if you want to make a perfect circle in PowerPoint, press a shift key. See, if I don't press a shift key, it will be like this, oval and different. But when I press a shift key, it becomes perfect. Perfect means whose height and width is same. Done. So I am done with this. I just bring it over here. I fill this with the white color. I say I don't want an outline. And let's bring this in the center. So I say align center, align middle. And I just increase the size of this one. Looks amazing. Oh, I wanted to make it transparent. So you will learn lots of other options also. So I say I want 50% transparent. Lovely. See, what is our intention? These 6 options I wanted to display. And for that, I am creating a infographics. Good. Till here we are done. Okay, now what? Now again, I go to the insert. I showed you the shape. So again, I will take any star from here. So let's say I took one star. Remember to press a shift key and create a star. Again, I will bring it in the center. So I say align center and I say align middle. It came over here. Let me come on the corner and increase the size. And you need to adjust these corners perfectly over there. So now this is a small manual work which you need to do. From the right side, I decrease the size of this. From the left side, again, I decrease the size from it. And you observe perfectly this edge are over here. Why I'm doing that? I will tell you. Again, I wanted to fill a white color in this. So I go to the shape fill, I fill white color. I go to the shape outline and I say no outline. And now you will see some magic. Now I will rotate it. I will just move this. Not move, rotate. So I say rotate 30% and I press enter. Done. And let me little bit increase the size of it. Okay, so I'm just increasing the size of this. Lovely. See, from what we became, we created what? It was a pie chart. And from pie chart, we made this. Give me a few more minutes and I show you how actually infographics are created. Got it, everybody? 50% work is done. Now we go ahead and what we wanted to type in the center, we can do that. Let me put one uh, icon over here. So I go to the insert and you know that is the option icons. So we will add few icons over here. I go to the icons and I wanted to add a bulb icon. So I type bulb. I select one of the icon and I say insert. Lovely. And let's bring it on the top and let's increase the size of it. And let me make, oh, I think it became too big. Let's make it a little small. Done? Okay. In that, I wanted to write another text. So I go to the insert tab and there is an option text box. You know this. I create one text box and I type 6 step to sales and I say excellence. I say center and let me bring it over here and I increase the size and let's make it of gray color. Let's see if we can make bold. Lovely. Looks nice. 6 steps of sales success. So now you will be thinking, Ramzan, where you are going to type objective, call, and all this, how it will look like. Give me a few minutes. This is our main 50% work is completed. Let's add few more icons because for each one of them, I need an icon. So again, I go to the insert and I go to the icon and you need to select the relevant icon related to what you are putting on a slide. Okay. As this is a demo icon, I will take somewhat related to that. So let's say I took one aeroplane icon. I took another this icon. I took this icon, 3 icons. I again scroll down. Let me see if I can some get better one. So I say this is also one which is related to the growth. 5 icon as I have 6 categories. So I want one more and let's take this, no problem. And I say insert, done. And you see all these icons are here. Got it? Now we will try to arrange it. So I will come over here and I make this over here. Let's put it over here. You see, put this. So we will change the size and everything in next a few minutes. Oh, I took 5. Huh? Where is another one? Oh, I need another one. So I go again over here in insert. And again, I say icons. And let me add this icon. Okay. And I say insert. And I bring this over here. As the icon size are height and width 1, let's make it little bit small. So I can make it 0.75. Okay. So I click on this. I select this and I select. And over here in the graphics, there is a height and width. Let's make it 0. Oh, it became very small. I think this is okay. 0.7. Yeah, perfect. And now what we will be doing, we will be converting, not converting, but we will be changing that to the white color because behind there is a dark color. So to change the color of this icons, it's possible. We go to the graphics fill and I made a white color. Lovely. Let me zoom it. Let me bring it down and let me manually edit because here you can't do any alignment for each one of them. Means you will say align for this, not possible because these are individual slices. So here you have to do these things manually only. This alignment part you have to do manually. Okay. This is only one thing. Otherwise, for everything, we will be using the alignment option only. Perfect. And now I come over here and now I bring it over here. Lovely. Let's make this over here. Lovely. Great, everybody. So you see, what was the pie chart? And from normal pie chart, what we created in front of you without any AI tool, without any ready-made thing, we converted this. Wait, now we go more ahead. Okay, till here, are you all understanding, friend? Is that interesting? Can you please reply me on the chat box so I know you all are with me and you all are understanding? Good, Fatima. Lovely, lovely. Great. Amazing. Very nice. Great. So I can see people replying. It means you all are awake in the afternoon and you all are understanding and learning. Great. Now we go ahead. Now, still, you might be thinking, Ramzan, yes, this looks awesome, beautiful, but where you are going to put this all objective and this, we can't see any space over here. Where you will put? Give me 2 minutes. Now, the next step is everybody. Now you will be going to the insert and now you will take a shape and we will draw a line. Okay, we will draw a line and we will press a shift key again to create a straight. See, if I don't press a shift key, it will become like this. So you have to press a shift key to make a straight line. So I put this one line over here and let me bring this on the top of it over here. Then I put another line over here. Now how I'm creating the lines? I am pressing a shift and control key and I take a duplicate of it. So I've put the duplicate of it. No? So this is my 6 lines. Still you have to wait. Now we will be increasing the width of all these 6 lines. We will be increasing the width of this 6 line. How do you increase the width, everybody? We go to the shape format. We go to the shape outline. We go to the weight and over here I make 2. Now I know this is not looking nice, but now we will be changing the color. So I want this line color to be of the same this color. This should be purple. This should be green. So how do you take the same color? So step number 1, I select the line and I will go to the shape format. And there is an option over here, outline fill. Okay. In fact, you can go over here also. Here there's a line. In line over here, you get one option, color. And there is the option eyedropper. Do you see your bottom eyedropper, this one? I took the eyedropper and I click on this. So you see the same line is there. Understanding? Again, I select this one more time. I go to the line, solid line, and I took the color and I say over here, eyedropper. Eyedropper picks the color. And I say, I want this color. Same color. And same thing again, I will repeat this for more 3 times. Okay. Oh, I selected by mistake the white color. So I come over here and I select this. Lovely. Again, I select the line. I went to the eyedropper and I took and it became the same color. Again, I select the fifth line. I took the eyedropper and I take this. Again, I select the last line. I went to the eyedropper and I select this. Lovely. Done. Oh, now this looks bad. So we need to decrease the size of this line. So I will select this line, press a shift key and just make it small. And same way you will come on the right hand side, select this line, press a shift key and let's make it little small. Lovely. Understanding everybody? You see, this is creating infographics manually in the PowerPoint. This is no problem. Here, I think there is no problem. Here, I think I have to make this line little small. So what I did, again, I select this and I make it small. I go on, oh, here also I have to make this line little small. So I zoom it too much so that I can see the perfection. Lovely. Here there is a issue in the green area. So I select this line, press a shift key and come till here. Lovely. Looks nice, everybody. Still, you will say, Ramzan, where you are going to put the text? This is the area where nicely I will put my text. So I go to the insert and I will create only one text box, everybody. Two text box, one for the heading. So I come over here and there is an option of there is a text objective. So over here, I will go to the insert. I will say text box and I say objective. Okay. I just keep it on the left side. I move this over here. I increase the size to, let's say, 22. And I want here the same color of this, right? So again, I go to the fill over here and I pick up the green color. I again create a duplicate copy of it. And here I want a gray color. I don't want bold and I want a font size little small. But I want from here this text. So I select this data, that is the increased revenue or whatever is your text. And you will come here and you will just say paste spatial value. And I will increase the size of this like this. Lovely. Let's make little bit less size, the 15. Lovely. So now I select both of them and I say arrange align left. And now same thing, friends, you copy paste. I paste it over here. I paste it over here. And now you will select this all 4, 6 and you bring everything on the right side. And you will press Control R for right. I have to do the alignment also. Align right. Lovely. So I go over here, key features, benefits. So I come over here and I will say key features. I will double click on it. I say benefits. I move on that, target audience, duration. So over here, I say target audience. And over here, what it was? It was duration and call to action. So I say duration. And over here, I have call to hyphen action. And then you can paste this text also over there, which I'm not doing. So are you understanding, everybody? So now again, I will copy this header and I say paste it over here. And I will say over here, the heading infographics from pie chart. Did it look like a pie chart now? Huh? How the pie chart looks. And you see how you present it. So this was the 6 point which you wanted to present. And that you converted into the nice looking infographics. Now I select this middle, which is the text. And where I go to the animation. And in animation, you have different animation. You have fly in, float in. This looks very nice, float in. Okay, float in. But if you want now, friends, there are many kind of animations. And one of them is the pulse. So over here, when you click on this, you get one option, pulse. Okay. or you can say color pulse also. And then you can double click on this. There are more animation setting. So I go to the timing, and over here I will say I want a medium, and I want it to repeat until the end of the slide. And I say okay. And now when I go over here, you will observe, got it? So now here you have given very simple animation. You see, it is blinking type. Now you can increase the speed, this, that, and everything, but it looks really the awesome. We don't put a bouncing animation, a swirl animation, a rotating animation. This way you can convert this data, which was this slide, this data into an amazing looking infographics without any third party or help. I hope you understood everybody and you liked it and you have understood each and every step. Okay. Can you please confirm in the chat box if you liked it and if you have understood it, everybody? Amazing. But your actual training starts, friends, when you yourself practice. And I want you to take the photo of it. Take out your mobile, everybody. Take out your mobile. And I want you to take the photo of this slide. Because this I just created live in front of you, right? So I can we etch this diagram so that can we etched this diagram so that it's fixed. Means, are you saying grouping and all, Andalib? If you are saying grouping, yes. You can select each of the object and you can press Control G and it will become as an one object group. Even you can convert this into the image. You can select all, group it, then we say copy, and then we say paste spatial, paste spatial as an image. It becomes a photo, then nobody will be able to add it. Now it's an editable. Got it, everybody? Great. So I guess you all have took the photo, and this was all about the today's session, everybody. Yeah. So great. Make sure after this you practice because practice will make you perfect. Thank you so much, everybody. And I'm stopping the recording over here. Great.